Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5. On this Mazda CX-5 we're going to go over the process of how you would pair your phone via the Bluetooth to be able to make phone calls, receive phone calls through the vehicle. So we are in the home screen. You can either use the touch screen or you can use there's a little knob behind the gear selector on the center console that you can use to control and move these. So we're going to use that gear selector so the hands aren't all in the way. So you twist it right or left to get that to move to the right or the left. Then once you're on your selection, you're going to tap it down, and that is the enter button. And then it's saying there's no phone, and so we would like to connect a phone. So we're going to hit connect. Then we're going to hit our Bluetooth settings, or we're going to connect via the Bluetooth. And then we're going to go down here to add a new device. So we're going to tap add a new device. And then on your phone, you'll need to find the one that says Mazda, and you're going to tap that. And then it's going to communicate with the car. And it's saying we have this passcode here. Matches the one on the phone. Gonna hit pair, and then we're gonna hit yes here. And so now the phone is connected. And so if you want, we have our phone connected, and this is where we can give it different options if you want it to have. Otherwise, we go back to the home screen via the button on the home. And then if we want to make a call, we can go into dial a phone number. You can dial the phone number. You can either scroll up and down with the thing or just twist the dial. Once you find the number you want, hit the enter button, and then you'll be able to hit the phone call number and dial the phone number when you need to make that phone call. And so that's how you would connect your phone to your vehicle to be able to make a phone call. Now, if you're done with the vehicle and you want to disconnect your phone from it, you just go back into the phone options. We're going to go into settings, and we're going to go back into Bluetooth, and then we're going to go down here where it says, or we select the phone that we want to disconnect, and we just scroll down and hit the disconnect, and that way we've disconnected our phone from this vehicle if it's no longer a vehicle you're using, or if it was just one you were using, or you're done with it. And so that's how you disconnect and unpair your phone from your Mazda CX-5, as well as hook it up. Thank you for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.